Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am going to give you one advice. If you are looking for some good product or you are at the product research stage right now, so this video is specially for you guys. If you are not finalized your product, please check whether which category has more return, which category has more replaceable orders, and which category comes under non-returnable. So if you are going for a product research, right, this is the right time. You please select the products which are under non-returnable category. The customer will not able to return your products, right? So how to check which all categories are under non-returnable? So for that you need to go on Google, search Amazon non-returnable product list. Yes, you have to enter it. You have to scroll down and you have to look for Amazon.in return policy. So basically in Amazon there are three return policies. First one is non-returnable, where customer cannot return your product. Second one is replaceable return, where customer can replace your product with some another product. For example, he cannot just return the product, he have to compulsorily replace it. Third one is returnable, where customer can return your product and get their cash back, get their money back. So make sure you're dealing with the product which come under at least replaceable or non-returnable. Please don't work under returnable category. So you might have to go with FBA to control your returns. So if you don't want to opt with FBA, then non-returnable and replaceable is the best option. And with the both, non-returnable is the best for selling any product on online. So how to check which category comes under non-returnable? So here there are multiple categories, as you can check. You have to type Control F and you have to search non-returnable, right? So as you can check, 1 out of 17 you have to drop down. So software comes under non-returnable. Candle wax wall stickers, again a very good category, comes under non-returnable. Pet food, pet shampoo, conditioner, pest control, aquarium supplies, pet grooming aids. Again, all this category comes under non-returnable. If you scroll down, all cleaning, painting, decor supplies come under non-returnable. Baby bathing and accessories comes under non-returnable. All inner apparels like undergarments, socks, gym supporters, guard, swimsuit, again this all product comes under non-returnable. So if you can scroll down, if you just click and go down, so there are multiple categories which is in non-returnable category. So make sure you select this category only, which will help you to grow your business very quickly. So if we compare a returnable category and non-returnable category, if a returnable category grow their business at least 10 times a year, non-returnable category can go up to 25%. Yes, into 25%, because your product is not going to get returned. You get a pure sale every time you get an order on Amazon. So please select non-returnable category. So if you are in product research stage right now, or you are near to finalize your product, please go through this document, please go through this sheet once and select non-returnable product only. Please make sure you are writing down each and every stuff in a notebook or in your mobile phone, so you never miss this point. And comment down below what all things you learned from this chapter, so we will be able to understand whether you are going on a right track or not.